They're all about the moms.
Aren't they cool? Aren't they cool? Aren't they cool?
Here are the items that you'll need to make the DIY Mother's Day gift. We have some mason jars. We're going to use the smaller ones, but you can also use the bigger one. We have some ribbon. All of this stuff came from Michael's, by the way. We have some really cool scissors. We have cardstock paper. You can get any colors. We also have labels, Sharpies, and pens, so you can write on the labels. That is all the items you need.
Go! Is this a pen, a marker, and a crayon? This a pen. This a crayon. This
The first thing that we're going to do is cut our cardstock paper. I'm going to use my handy dandy cutter. If you have a little sister, you can let her pull down
the handle to cut the paper.
So you're going to have a strip of paper. Now let's put it about like that size. Now cut it. Good job. Let's put it. Cut the last piece. Yay! Actually, you're going to need 10 pieces of paper. Now that you have all your papers cut, here's mine and here's Shayla's. Now you're going to write 10 things that you love about your mom.
You love me, mommy, mom.
Now let's start writing. It's so many great things about moms, but it's really hard to think on the spot. We have some great quotes about moms on here. I'm going to read some to you.
Mom, you make life beautiful. You are my sunshine. World's best mom. Here's some other things on
Here's another one. You're the mom everyone wishes they had. Jayla, how about you read one?
Mom, you're amazing. Here's a few quotes for Mom. Total concentration here while writing important facts about Mom.
Now you're done writing 10 things about what you love about your mom. We're going to fold it and put it in the mason jar. So first, let's fold it in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again.
I already do mine.
Okay. Don't forget, fold it in a hot dog. And then fold it in half again.
I folded in a hot dog. Continue folding until you're complete.
Now, since I'm all done, I'm going to help Jayla.
Look at the great teamwork here.
When you guys get done, put it in the mason jar.
You got it all. You got mine all.
Okay, put all your papers in there. And this can also be every day your mom wakes up in the morning. She can open up a cook.
In other words, a gift from you.
Before you place the top on, I have a great idea. Now to make this even cuter, we're going to take the lid off the mason jar and cut around it on a piece of paper.
No, I can't one. Which one I can get? This one.
Now I'm going to get some creative scissors. See how pretty it's turning out?
Don't mind me at all.
All done.
That mine.
Now what you're going to do is get a piece of tape and tape it on here. So, an easier and better way to do this is you can fold your tape so it can be two-sided.
Can I fold it?
And I'm gonna fold it for you and then I'll let you stick it on there.
Sister at all, she let me stick it on there to the ding.
Now look how cute it turned out. Let's place the top on. Look how cute. Now we're not done just yet. Now we have some labels where you write 10 things that you love about your mom. Our mom already did ours for us.
You can use your Sharpies to write on the labels.
Hey guys.
Sorry guys. Okay. So, Jayla picked the pink one. Here.
Thank you.
And I picked the yellow one. It goes on the front.
So right here.
Yeah.
Ah!
Now this says 10 things I love about you.
This is. What this is?
It says 10 things I love about you.
What?
We have our ribbon already pre-cut. This is the part where you may have to have your mom help you. Now let's put the ribbon on.
I need some help.
Okay. Look, looks like a pretty bow.
Let me see yours. Oh, it looked like your lady or something. It looked like an old gray one. Like an old thinking old gray one. Ah! The latest. Flip over. Wah! Here's Jayla's cute little bow. Okay, here.
Here is our complete look. It turned out beautiful. Top,
This is where you put to mom from you.
cute little bow, and our 10 things I love about you. If you don't have enough money and you want to make your mom something for Mother's Day, you can make these. That's all, folks. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button,
Press that like button.
comment down below,
Comment down below.
and subscribe. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
I hope you enjoyed the Mother's Day gift. Happy early Mother's Day!